Hello, my name is Priyanshu Singh. I am from Delhi and recently completed my BCA from Guru Gobind Singh University. And I completed my assignment of cryptocurrency project. Of this is a this is a this is a project we are completing. First, this we are analyzing a historical cryptocurrency data for prediction for future outcomes. And we are fetching a cryptocurrency data using CoinGecko API. Gecko API where the data is data we are retrieve this data, and we are describing some parameters, for example crypto pi start data, and what the data retrieve the data including date date open high close. First, this form we are retrieve the data in this format also, and second is matrix calculation, where matrix calculation is describing a calculation of performance drive key matrix. Example: rolling high and low percentage differentiate based on differentiating of this data, and this significance values of variable 1 and variable 2's for infusing of matrix of this data. They can retrieve the data for variable 1 and variable 2 is calculation matrix. For variable 1 is 7 and variable 2 is 5. This format we are calculating 7 and 5 form, rows and columns format. We are calculating a matrix for 7 and 5 rows and columns format. And then this is a machine learning project, ML modules of for machine learning models. We talk about the model training of process for random force. A random force to a prediction future high and low price of cryptocurrency, and they can highlight how to split the data in training testing. This is u- and this is used for standard scaling for future scaling feature. Standard scaling. And they can analyzing training and testing for this data. And we are mentioning some accuracy of this project. This is the accuracy of high accuracy, high prediction. This is a low accuracy and low prediction. And this is a data. This is data of date. This is a data we are retrieve a cryptocurrency of cryptocurrency. We are the API data. First date and open high, low, and close of this cryptocurrency. Where there is a matrix with matrix row and columns format of this data, and they can historical data of we converted in crypto historical data in accessible format. We have to calculate the data in this. This is a calculation of this data to analyzing, and then when analyzing, and we are differentiate the high of tax prediction and high of low prediction of this data. Uh, differentiate between uh, differentiate between variables of rolling of high and low of percentage of differentiate. We are differentiate of this matrix format in high and low percentage of this differentiate. First 0 percentage for this data, and they are highlighting possibility of this data of this cryptocurrency. And and we are completing for we are converted a historical of this data is then we convert the data we are calculate the matrix, and then we converted a crypto historical data accessible format of this data, and we saved here of this data. We providing us some example input values for how to modeling generate the prediction high and low prices of this data. There is some random values. There are some example values. We are converting a high and low prediction data.